This summer, join us in reading 3 great books with other like-minded book lovers and educators. Our summer reading book club is specially tailored for enthusiastic teachers who love reading and talking about great literature. We've selected 3 recent titles to read over the summer and discuss across our social media outlets, and we want you to help us make this amazing. All summer long, we'll share discussion topics, free downloadable resources, exclusive discounts, interesting facts, and our own thoughts on what makes these books memorable. The first 10 teachers who sign up and agree to be a book club leader by helping to drive great conversations will get a free copy of all 3 books. Every week, participants with the best contributions and most interesting insights will be awarded prizes and special discounts. Join the conversation today. Prestwick House. Passionate about literature. Passionate about language. Passionate about learning.